10 weight loss tips to make things easier and faster. Number 1. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast has been shown to reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Number 2. Avoid surgery, drinks and fruit juice. These are most fattening things you can put into your body, and avoiding them can help you lose weight. Number 3. Drink water a half hour before meals. One study showed that drinking water a half hour before meals increased weight loss by 44% over 3 months. Number 5. Eat soluble fiber. Studies show that soluble fibers may reduce fat, especially in the belly area. Fiber supplements like glucomannan can also help. Number 6. Drink coffee or tea. If you are a coffee or tea drinker, then drink as much as you want, as the caffeine can in them boost your metabolism by 3 to 11%. Number 7. Eat mostly whole, unprocessed foods. Base most of your diet on whole foods. They are healthier, more filling, and much less likely to cause overeating. Number 8. Eat your food slowly. Fast eaters gain more weight over time. Eating slowly makes you feel more full and boosts weight-reducing hormones. Number 9. Weigh yourself every day. Studies show that people who weigh themselves every day are much more likely to lose weight and keep it off for a long time. Number 10. Get a good night's sleep every night. Poor sleep is one of the strongest risk factors for weight gain, so taking care of your sleep is important.